Increase engagement and efficiency with Microsoft 365 from CloudPlanet. Microsoft 365 Secure from CloudPlanet gives your team the latest versions of Office apps for up to 5 PCs or Macs, 5 tablets, Windows, iPad, and Android, and 5 phones per user, a total of 15 devices. Increase your team's efficiency by letting them work wherever they are, and giving your clients freedom to contact you on their terms. Key focus areas for this video are: cross-device access, made for mobile, made for devices, advanced automated device management, and browser-only access, chat, meet, call and collaborate all in one place, no matter where you are. With the growing role of remote work in today's business environment, customers need a reliable and secure virtual collaboration platform to bring everyone together. Microsoft 365 Secure from CloudPlanet provides a hub for teamwork where people can call, meet, chat and collaborate all in one place with enterprise-grade security and compliance. Word. Streamline copywriting processes and drive both staff and customer engagement with open collaboration on Word documents. Share comments and see edit suggestions. Excel. Quickly communicate complex business ideas with a huge array of charts and graphs. Create online forms for your customers and record the answers in a shareable spreadsheet. Planner. Keep your projects on target and ensure your entire team is kept informed and on track with assignable tasks. Expand tasks with comments, file attachments and checklist items, and finally, Teams. Realize the full collaborative vision that Teams brings to the technology mix. Let Teams become your hub for teamwork and invigorate your communications inside and out. Keep your business ahead of the curve. With coordinated meetings, people can drive inclusive, collaborative meeting experiences between remote and in-person attendees like never before. Microsoft 365 Secure from CloudPlanet lets you keep your business ahead of the curve with cutting-edge collaboration and communication tools. So what are you waiting for? Call, click or message today for a free, 30-minute demonstration of just how good life in the cloud can be.